And today's Ask the Expert is sponsored by Pineview Medical Clinic. They're a clinic that's open and running right here in our greater St. Louis area, and they are helping you cure your ED. Joining us is Andrew Reinhart from the Pineview Medical Clinic. Andrew, thanks so much for being here with us today.
Hello, good to see you. Thanks for having me.
You too. And ED really is a serious medical condition. What is it, and how is Pineview Medical Clinic helping fix that problem right here in St. Louis?
Well, we're using a major medical breakthrough to fix the erectile dysfunction, the ED. Men are pretty used to taking the pill. This is different. This goes to the root cause of the problem. The technology is called acoustic wave therapy. Pineview Medical Clinic uses the most advanced version. Here's what it does. It delivers very gentle pressure waves into the blood vessels. There you can see what ED basically looks like on the left, shriveled up and dying blood vessels. What our treatments can do on the right. It's pressure waves. It's repairing the actual root cause of the problem. And we've helped a lot of men and a lot of couples get rid of the erectile dysfunction without the use of medication.
And Andrew, this shockwave therapy is needle-free, it's surgery-free, and it's drug-free, right?
That's exactly right. Those three things have existed, well, pretty much that's all that has existed for ED for the last 30 years. Men are pretty used to the pill. All three of those go to the symptoms of erectile dysfunction. They don't fix the problem. So a man has to take that pill for the rest of his life. Whereas our treatments go to the root cause, repair the blood vessels. There are no chemicals involved. So it's not just treating the symptoms, it's treating the actual problem.
And Andrew, this procedure is backed by so many different studies and publications. What are some of those?
Yeah, I think this technology is more vetted and studied than most medical treatments or technologies or devices out there. We have 50 clinical studies. They're posted at pineviewmedicalclinic.com. One from one of the biggest universities in the world, another from one of the biggest hospitals in America. They have tested this on men with even severe erectile dysfunction. They showed it to be safe and effective. One of them said that it leads to a clinical increase in blood flow, exactly what a man with erectile dysfunction needs.
And Andrew, ED is a serious medical condition, but there's hope. Tell us about the difference between what you all are doing at Pineview Medical Clinic versus other traditional methods that are available in the marketplace.
The big one is that there are no side effects. Men are so sick of going to the pharmacy, getting the pill, and then dealing with the headaches the next day. There is zero side effect with our technology. There's no chemicals. It's not invasive. It's just using gentle pressure waves. In fact, a treatment is only 10 minutes and men walk out of the clinic feeling totally normal. So that would be the big difference, is no side effects, and we're treating the problem versus treating the actual symptoms.
And Andrew, like you just mentioned, you all are treating the root cause of ED, not just the symptoms. There's no pills, no invasive injections or surgery. That is pretty incredible. Give us a breakdown of how this technology actually works.
The key word is neovascularization. Those pressure waves, now you won't feel this, but they agitate the blood vessels and trick the body into healing itself, clearing those blood vessels out and actually widening the diameter of them. You can imagine what wider blood vessels does to activity in the bedroom. Great things, blood flow, where you want it, when you want it. That is the key here. And by the way, that leads to spontaneity, where you don't have to play the big timing game around the pill.
And is there any recovery time from this procedure, Andrew?
Zero recovery time, zero pain, zero side effects. Men tell us over and over again, I was a lot more comfortable than I had imagined.
And do you have any special offers for our viewers that are at home watching today?
We certainly do. If you or your man are sick of the erectile dysfunction, if you're ready to regain your love life, get your phone ready. Call that number on the screen before this segment ends, over about the next minute. The exam, assessment, and the blood flow ultrasound will be free. You'll also get a gift that produces immediate results in the bedroom. You guys will love that. 314-530-7777. All of what I just mentioned is totally free to callers now.
Perfect. Well, it's the perfect time to go ahead and get some of those freebies. All you have to do is visit Pineview Medical Clinic on their website at pineviewmedicalclinic.com, or you can call that number that's right there on your screen, 314-530-7777. And of course, we'll make sure you have access to all of this information on our website at studiostl.tv. Hey, St. Louis, don't go anywhere. We'll have a lot more of the show in just a couple of minutes.